Hi, what if I show you how to get transitional hook videos just like the one you're seeing on your screen right now? In this video, you're going to learn how to get transitional hook videos for free that you can attach to your social media videos to go viral. Now, let me show you how to get started. But before we do that, if you're new here, do it to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get you to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So let's get started. Now, this particular platform I'm going to show you we give you access to free transitional hook videos that you can add to your social media videos. And another thing I love about this particular website is that they give you inspiration. That is, they give you examples of what they mean by this particular transitional hook video. They will show you what you can do with it. So in case you want to replicate it, it makes it very easy for you. You don't need to start racking your head to get an idea of what you can do with it. So let me show you the website. Now go to your browser and you're going to type transitionalhooks.com. Now, if you're viewing it with your phone, your smartphone, you're going to see the videos playing. So you can play the videos. But if you're using your laptop, it might not show the videos to you. So what you do is you click on inspiration. So when you come to this particular website, which is transitionalhooks.com, all you need to do is to just keep checking and see the one that you love and you can download it. So let's say, for example, this particular high heel sleeve, I'm going to click on the inspiration and see the example that they want me to take a look at, which is this one you're seeing right now, right? So I'm going to go back again and say, okay, let me check for another one. This one, let's check on this shoelace. So you see an example of what they mean by that shoelace. You can see, can you see that? So this is an example. Now let's go back again and check for other ones. Let's see this slap kick. Can you see? Can you see that? So that's how the transitional videos look like. So all you need to do is to know how to switch it to your main videos. Now, if you want me to make a video on how you can implement it into your videos, leave a comment in the comment section saying teach me, and I'm going to take my time to record a video to show you how to put these things together using two different amazing apps. All right, so let's get started. So now here I'm going to say, okay, I love this particular video and I'm just going to download it. So when I'm done going to be using to edit my videos, all I need to do is to just find a way to shift it to where I want it to start from and where I want it to end. So I'm done downloading this particular video. I just need to transfer it to my phone and start doing the editing. So remember to leave a comment if you want me to show you a simple video on how to use these transitional hook videos on your social media videos. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you once again. So do well to share these videos to someone who might need it. See you next time. Bye.